What's your name?
My name's Mohammadpur. You may call Noor, which is my surname.
Okay, sir. Where are you from?
Sir, I am from Choranga, which is part of southeast part of Bangladesh.
Okay. Do you work or study?
Sir, I am studying in English fantasy for learning English.
Okay. How much time do you spend at your job or work?
Sir, basically I have no skill, no skill about job sector. I am a student. Just I have completed my graduation from Begum Roka University.
Okay, sir. Do you like music or not?
Sir, basically I don't like music because I am a past person in religious Islam. My religion is Islam, so I don't listen anytime
Okay.
song.
So, do you use social media?
Yes, sir. I like social media because I am a social person and I like to connect another people, another group, and another country.
Do you like to chat face to face or online?
Sir, basically I always chat face to face. Sometimes I spend my time in social media by chatting.
Do you enjoy using technology?
Yes, sir. I use modern technology like a computer, mobile phone, and modern transport system, metro rail.
Okay, so do you use the internet for your studies?
Yes, sir. I think internet is very essential things at this time for learning any things because it helps many kinds of opportunity gives us such as many time we get many information and etc.
Okay, so thank you very much. This is the end of part 1. Right now, I'll give you one cue card. You have 1 minute for taking preparation. After that, you have to speak up to 2 minutes. This is your cue card. If you want, you can take some notes. Okay, sir, you may start.
Here is it. Thank you, sir. I am describing about a skill that is a learning skill, learning English. Learning English is very important at this time because English is an international language of all over the world, which is used many countries English language official language and internet and English is used by international business and other things. English is very important for educational sector. Education sector is very important because many time we learn many things from internet and by using mobile phone. Education higher educated book are written in English. So I think English language is very important to know every people. When we meet another person like abroad, that time I have to use English because they know another language. They know Bangla, they know properly. They did not know how to conversation in Hindi and English. So I think English is the most important things in our daily life and future life. So in this way I learn English. At this time I am a student of English fantasy for developing myself, and also English is a basic part of human life. I am a student. I want to go to abroad for developing myself and improving myself because all job sector have to opportunity in English. So I think it's very important our life.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. This is the end of part 2. Right now, I'll ask you some question which is actually related about your Q card.
Okay.
What type of skill is common in your country?
Sir, basically English is the most common things in our country because we are Bangladeshi and Bangladeshi people. So we do not know how to conversation in English properly. So in this way, if I learn English, I will be able to communicate other people properly.
Okay, sir. Will you learn computer skill? Why or why not?
Sir, yes, I learned computer because computer is a main part in modern life. In this time is a modern technology time. Modern technology time have to modern way, have to do modern way. So computer is the basic computer basic part I know, such as Excel sheet and Word Excel. I know this very good at in this site.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. This is the end of speaking test. So, if I want to give some feedback about speaking, sometimes you are a bit nervous. I don't know why. Just try to make a good conversation with your examiner. Try to give some examples with like explanation about your question. Otherwise, you have done very well. Just try to practice properly. Try to speak properly. You will do better.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.